when Grandma told the story of a white horse girl and the blue-winged boy, she became them. When Grandma got cold to the other side, I could still hear her singing. The moon, the moon, the moon, my son, it's time for the woman and the moon. It's time for the woman and the moon. Cinderella, dressed in yellow, went upstairs to kiss a fella. She made a mistake, he was a snake. Now how many doctors does it take to make her heart feel better? How many doctors does it take? The moon, the moon, the moon, the moon, it's time for the woman and the moon. The moon, the moon, the moon, the moon, it's time for the woman and the moon. When Grandma danced at Charleston with that red-headed boy, the mountains came down just to see 'em. And Grandma sang the roof off of every church that Grandpa ever preached in. I still hear her voice saying, man, you are strong, but you came from the waters of a woman. Your fire may be fierce, your roar so strong, but it came from the waters of the womb. The womb, the womb, the womb, the womb, came from the waters of the womb. The womb, the womb, the womb, the womb, it came from the waters of the womb. And the womb, oh, the womb, yeah, yeah. She said it's time for the woman and the moon. The moon, the moon, the moon, the moon, it's time for the woman and the moon. See the moon, see the moon, time for the woman in the moon. Now row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, oh merrily, oh merrily we go. Life is but a dream. I dream, I dream, I dream, I dream. Life is but a dream. See a dream, it's a dream. Life ain't nothing but a dream. All I know, yeah,